Ever wondered how a tiny uranium pellet can power an entire city? It all starts inside a nuclear reactor. Deep inside the reactor core are fuel rods filled with uranium-235. When a neutron strikes one of these atoms, the atom splits apart in a process called nuclear fission. That single split releases enormous heat, along with more neutrons. Those neutrons strike other uranium atoms, creating a controlled chain reaction. The heat from fission boils water into high-pressure steam. The steam races through enormous turbines, spinning them thousands of times every minute. Connected to the turbine is a generator. As powerful magnets rotate inside copper coils, electricity is produced. After leaving the turbine, the steam is cooled back into water and pumped to repeat the cycle. Control rods absorb neutrons to regulate the reaction. Lower them in, and the reaction slows. Raise them out, and it speeds up. Nuclear reactor makes electricity the same way most power plants do. The only difference is that nuclear energy comes from the atoms themselves.